How to change sleep mode, snooze, time, interval, or re- repeat on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down, and click on Modes and Routines. So after click on Mode and Routines, so click on Sleep. So after click on Sleep, so you will see click on after click on start, scroll down and click on snooze. So if you want to change sleep snooze time, so you will select 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, and so after selecting, go back and click on next and click on next and click on done. So after click on done, you will see your snooze time is changed. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can change sleep mode, snooze, time interval, or repeat on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.